Tonight I'm going to be making an Asian chicken salad, and I think you'll really enjoy this. Super easy. I'm going to add a package of coleslaw, the shredded slaw, and I'm going to add half of broccoli slaw. Broccoli's super healthy. Okay. That mixed up together. There's another one you can buy that's called Super Greens, and it has sprouts in it. The bean sprouts are really super healthy, packed with lots of nutrition. I'm going to add a little bit more. I use broccoli slaw in my smoothies. Just an idea there. Broccoli's really good for you. Okay. The next ingredient we're going to add is going to be chicken. And this is just grilled chicken that I've already cooked. It's pre-cooked. And it's chopped up. Oop, I've got to chop that one a little bit more. Okay. The next ingredient is going to be snow peas, just a little bit of snow peas. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to add is almonds, and these are just fresh sliced almonds. And I'm going to eyeball it, so I think about 1/4 cup. I'm using these plastic bowls because I'm going to an event and I want to pack them all in a cooler. So, oops. Everybody in the pool. And I'm working off of a very small counter, so it's kind of hard. Okay. It's pretty mixed up. Okay, and the next ingredient we're going to add is ramen noodles. So what you want to do is you want to take your package of ramen noodles, and you want to, I put it in a sandwich size Ziploc bag, and then I crunch them up, and I've got them over in the toaster. They're going to toast a little bit to get them really crunchy, and we'll add those here in just a minute. We've got to let them cool down because we can't add hot ramen noodles, and they're raw. They're not cooked at all. Just the dry ramen noodles that are in the package, you're going to want, we're toasting them. Okay, so we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so here is our toasted ramen noodles, and it's one package. There's no season pack. All I've done is just toasted them dry in the toaster oven. Now you can make your own dressing. I'm going to leave the dressing recipe on my blog page if you want to make the dressing from scratch. But I'm going to use this Asian sesame from Ken's Steakhouse. It's the light version. It's ginger and soy. It's just fabulous, and it's got a little kick to it. So I think everybody will enjoy that. You're going to be adding a 1/2 cup of this because you want this to sit overnight and really marinate in the chicken and the coleslaw. So I'm gonna add a little bit, and then I'm gonna stir it. I'm eyeballing it, so I know when I've got it. So we're just gonna get this all stirred up. And I'll show you the finished salad mixed up. Just a few minutes. And it's ready to go into the refrigerator. And the only other thing you could probably add to this that would taste delish is some mandarin oranges. And I probably have some. I don't have them out, but you could probably add the mandarin oranges to this, and it would be delish. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you'll join me next time. And you guys have a wonderful day, and that concludes my 3 salads series. Everybody have a blessed day.